the screw-in part. You get screw-in like your backside? No.
No.
Oh, okay. Hey, welcome back to Rolling Reed Ranch. Rolling with the Reeds. On to something different today. A little different type of project. This is really a honeydew list project. Something I should have got done early in the season, but had to get this farm stuff up. But I'm on it now. Honey. I'm finna get it done.
Getting it done today.
So today we are doing some Shou Sugi Ban. Some Shou Sugi Ban. Burn the wood and it preserves it and gives it some character. We're Shou Sugi Banning our dining room wall. We got a few boards done already. Got probably about 8 to 10 more boards left. And yeah, then we'll start nailing them up. The one you just brought out here in the center?
Yeah.
Oh, that don't look too...
Not too much different. It is a little bit lighter though.
The ones with the brush?
Yeah.
The brittle side?
The brittle side. You're right. I'm just gonna go smooth.
Nice character in that wood. That's nice, boy. Just get your little old torch. You don't have to use these big old torches, but it'll go by a whole lot faster with one of these big torches instead of one of them little hand torches. But propane tank, your little torch, that's all you need. You just burn it to your desire. How dark you want it, how light you want it. You can burn it, then turn around and scrape it off if it's, you know, if it's not what you like. If it's too dark, you scrape it, you can scrub it down lighter. Then if it go too light, you can go back and burn it back a little bit more. And that's it. Gonna do these last 4 real quick.
I know what plagues sustain them by just the land.
So we're about to scrub it down on the hard side, just a little light scrub. That. We don't want to take too much off because I like it dark. And then we take it by the smooth side and give it one little rub. Get your dry towel out. You want to dry off that excess dust here. Kick that dust off like that. Then get your wet towel out. Just wipe it off. That simple. Put it in your finish pile.
On grid, away from ordinary plans. A real family place where you can also bring your friends. And you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. Yeah, the Rolling Reed Ranch. Where they got it all, make you take a second glance. They got horses, goats, and food, can even watch the chickens dance. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. You can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch.
Didn't get it all done. Ran out of wood. Only need probably like about 5, 6 more pieces. Maybe 7, 8 pieces, something like that.
But it's looking good.
Looking good.
We'll bring you back when we get the wall plaques on.
That's what I'm talking about, Grady. Yeah, that's exactly what you're supposed to say. We'll bring you back when we get the rest of the wood and get that bird and get this all finished up. Got this wall done.
And it's gonna take that a lot longer. Put your pies back in there. Oh, on the top.
Hey, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, push that all the
Hit
way
that
to
like
the
button.
back. No, baby. Push your rack all the way to the back.
Daughter here throwing down, old son. 2 sweet tater pies, 2 sweet tater pies, 2 banana nut bread loaves, and a lemon pound cake finna go in the oven, old son. Good job, Stink.